Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am here to talk about on the very interesting topic AI. I think we all are aware about the AI, and also we are using the device which is based on AI. So I am to talk about on this topic. So without wasting, I am going to start. My name is SANJEET Kumar, and I am from BCA third year. So I am very thankful to Raju Upadhyay sir for giving this opportunity to express our point of view on the topic AI. So let's start. Here is the first look of my PPT, and we can say that the home page. First of all, I have to talk about the topics which I am going to deliver. These are the topics I am going to talk about. First of all, we have to talk about overview of AI, and then the advantage and disadvantage of AI. After that, we have to talk about the future of AI. So, firstly, I have to know about what is AI and why we use only AI. So, firstly, AI stands for artificial intelligence. There is a combination of two words, AI, that is artificial, and intelligence. The word artificial means that the object or a thing which is made by man called a man-made. And the word intelligence means the ability to think like a human beings and behave like a human beings. So when we combine these two words, what we get that the object and the thing which is made by man called man-made and have an ability to think like a human beings is said to be and behave like a human beings is called the artificial intelligence. After that, we all know that John McAfee is the father of AI. And the question is why we use only AI? Because AI can work much faster than as compared to human beings. So let's talk about the advantages of AI. First of all, now we all are using the mobile phones, smartwatches, as well as laptops. There is also an AI works in the background of these kind of devices. So AI is not only used in devices but also it is used in websites as well as many applications as a Google Assistant, Alexa. AI inbuilt machines like robots are now used in many homes as a servant and like USA and Britain country. Robots now entered in the army camp as a member of army to kill the enemies. We can say that in future the whole world is running on the base of AI. AI can overcome the utility of human beings. Now we all know that the AI-based machines like robots are now used in the many industries as a worker instead of human beings. So let's come to the disadvantages of AI. The first and major disadvantage of AI is it leads to unemployment. Because I already said that the AI-based machines like robots are now used in many industries as a worker instead of human beings. That's why I am saying it leads to unemployment. As well as it leads to a security breach also. As well as because of AI, now the human beings, it makes human beings lazy. There is a big question mark on the human safety because AI are able to take the life of human beings as well. And the major disadvantage of AI because AI cannot afford all of us because AI, the build of AI and manage of AI is very costly and expensive. So let's talk about the future of AI. I think you all are aware about that person. The name of this person is Geoffrey Hinton. He is called as the godfather of AI because many inventions which we see in our environment is mostly invented by this person, Geoffrey Hinton. He resigned from the Google in 2021 when he gives interview on the BBC News channel, the American news channel. Then the American news channel interviewer asked the question from this person that why you resigned from the Google. Then he replied that I see the future of AI. That's why I have resigned from this post. So then again it will ask the question that what you see in the future. Then he said that I am not sure about the future, but I can say that in future we have to stop inventing machines based on AI. Otherwise, we have to pay our disastrous things which will be happen in the future. And this thing will be faced by the upcoming generation of the human era. So, and there is a question that someone says that the Jeffrey Hinton wife, first wife, has died because of AI. Someone said that, but I am not sure about that point. So in future, AI are able to manipulate the human beings and they can do whatever they want. So now comes that what I think about the AI. That we all know that we all are aware about the aliens. So I think in future, aliens are not coming from the other planet. Aliens are existing in the earth as a AI, that is robot. Robot in future, robot becomes the aliens. And he can extend the human era. So this is all about the AI, and thank you and have a very nice day all of you.